Welcome back to GigaBits, the channel where broken apps don't get blamed, they get fixed. You open the Vinted app to check messages, upload an item, or complete a sale, and suddenly nothing works. The app won't load, it keeps crashing. Errors appear out of nowhere, or it simply refuses to log you in. In 2026, Vinted is still one of the most popular resale platforms in the world, yet these issues remain incredibly common. So what's actually causing the Vinted app to stop working, and how can you fix it fast? I'm breaking this down because most Vinted app problems are not random. In most cases, they come from outdated app versions, corrupted cache data, login session conflicts, or temporary server-side issues. I reviewed the most common problems reported by Vinted users and focused only on fixes that consistently work in 2026, not guesses, not myths, just real solutions. Vinted users report a wide range of issues: the app getting stuck on loading screens, crashing immediately after opening, messages failing to send or sync, photos not uploading, login errors even with correct credentials. In some cases, the app opens normally but actions don't sync properly, creating failed sales or missed messages. Start with the simplest fix. Force close the Vinted app and reopen it. This clears frozen background sessions that don't fully crash. Next, check for app updates. Vinted frequently updates its backend, and older app versions can suddenly stop working without warning. Updating the app resolves many loading, messaging, and upload issues. Clear the app cache. Corrupted temporary files can block photos, messages, or login requests. If clearing cache doesn't help, uninstall and reinstall the app completely. Log out of your Vinted account and log back in. This refreshes authentication tokens that may have expired silently. Finally, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and disable VPNs. Vinted security systems often block VPN traffic. So how do you fix the Vinted app not working in 2026? Update the app, clear corrupted data, refresh your login session, avoid VPNs, and check for server-side issues. In most cases, these steps restore full functionality quickly. For more fast fixes to broken apps and everyday tech problems, make sure to follow GigaBits, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more simple, real-world solutions.